tutorial, we will see how to print left angle number triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here in this pattern, every line begins with a space character. Those space characters are gradually increasing line by line from 0 to 8, 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Those space characters are appended with number characters. Those number characters are gradually decreasing line by line from 5 to 1, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Along with every number, a space character is appended. So let's type code to execute this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here, while I less than 5. At the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. So our I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So at the end of 5th iteration, I value will become 5, 5 less than 5, condition is false and our iteration is going to stop here. To print this type of pattern, we require one more variable j is equal to 0 and we require a nested while loop here. Nested while j minus 1 less than 4 minus I, and at the end of nested while we are going to increase j value by 1. So let's print the space characters. Print two spaces we are going to combine and multiply them with I. So this is going to print 0 space character in the first line, then 2, then 4, then 6 and 8 space characters. Along with space characters, number characters are there in the same line. To print number characters in the same line, we are going to use end parameter without any value. Now let's print the number characters. Print I minus j is going to print the numbers 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 1 and separate the numbers with a single space characters. After printing space character appended with number character, we are going to begin from the next line. For that, we are going to use print method outside this nested while loop. Run py_triangle.py file in the terminal. So this is our expected triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number left angle triangle pattern.